Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Yes. Today we are going to start demo demo class. Okay, na? Demo class for Oracle. Don't write it. These are demo classes. Observe it here. Oracle 19. See, I am writing. Everyone knows Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This is a software product from Oracle Corporation. 19 19 is a version number in that software. Oracle was released so many versions 1978 year onwards. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. Those three versions are also called as 8i, next 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the versions. One of the latest version is 19 is a version number. C is a cloud computing, cloud technology only. Nowadays, everyone knows cloud computing supported by cloud technology supported by all the softwares. Let's say Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19C is a one of the version number. Now check it out. Screen observe it. What is this Oracle product? Now everyone knows this Oracle is a what type of product? Very good. Database product. Suppose Java, C++, .NET, these type of softwares was implemented based on object-oriented features. Same like here also, some relational data model is a concept is there that based only they are implementing. At least, okay, this is a database product. So now Oracle is a database product. Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of database product? Everyone knows. To store data permanently. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. Now observe it here. Concentrate. Very, 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 very important. Now observe it here. This is a Oracle database. Okay, Oracle software. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. Here onwards different. Observe here. Whenever I'm installing Oracle software in my system, then automatically one place is reserved in a disk. This is called database. This is called Oracle database or database. It is a place. Okay. Yeah. Now anybody guess it? Now in this database, I try to store a what? Any random collection of data. Possible or not possible? Only one answer is correct. Maybe guess it. Anybody tell me? Any experienced persons are there? In that place, you try to store a what? A random collection of data. Possible or not possible? Very good. So many fellows are thinking of what Murli sir. Any collection of data also we are allowed to store. They are telling only. Okay. Na? Any random collection of data also we are allowed to store in this database. They are telling only. That is 100% wrong one. Wrong one. These database softwares, either Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, Ingress, this type of database softwares was implemented based on some special concept is there. What is that one? Relational data model is a concept is there in a feature. Don't worry. That's why these databases does not store a random collection of data. These databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. Observe here. Screen observe it. Yes, here the data is there. A organized fashion only data is there. Observe it here. This is called structured collection of data. Actually, relational data model was implemented by F. Cod. He is a mathematician. In those days, he is working in an IBM company. That's why he is only represented data in the format of table matrix because he's a mathematician. That's why he is only designing that one only matrix format. Now matrix are nothing but a what? Rows and columns are there. No, now matrix are nothing but what? A table format only. That's why anybody observing a what? Oracle software, SQL Server software, DB2 software, MySQL software means in a table format only data is there. That's why always observe it here. Here, this database software, okay, Oracle database software stores a what? Which one? Structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. This is called structured collection of data. Structured collection of data only it will be storing. Structured collection of data. Once a structured collection of data is there in this database, you are also operating a what? Data in this database, then we are using one specialized language. Anybody have an idea? Very good. What is that language? SQL is a language. Structured query language. This is a non-procedural language. Suppose in a C language is a procedural language. In that one, loops are there, no? Variables are there, no? So many things are there. But here, not like that. This is a non-procedural language. Loops are not there, variables are not there, just simple. Yes, same like English type commands are there: insert, update, delete, select, merge, like this some commands are there. Just we are typing that commands, automatically processing a water data. That much of easiest language. That's why this is a non-procedural language. This language name is structured query language. By using this language, we are operating a data in these databases. Now check it out. For example, now check it out. Concentrate here. Really, this is correct or not? Check it out. Suppose this is a Oracle database. In a future, you are also installing a what? This software. How means I will tell you. Don't worry. One of these days. Now check it out. Here, observe it here. Here, table format only data is available or not? Check it out. Yes. Here, this is a table format only. Data is there or not? Yes, here. Now, organized fashion only data is there. Suppose here serial number is a column is there. In this column, only stores a what? Numbers. Again, in this column, job is a column, only stores a what? Characters. In this higher date is a column. In this column, only stores a what? Dates. That's why organized fashion only data is storing or not. Yes. Suppose, for example, S number is a column is there in this table. Now, suddenly I'm working in a company, for example. My client asking, otherwise my requirement is this one. What is that one? I want to change this S number column name. These are columns only. These are rows. Don't worry. And now this column name change into where? S number into where? Employee number. They're asking. In that case, I'm a good SQL programmer, means I'm typing a what? Some English type commands like this. Just I am typing a what? Some command. In a future, these commands you are also learning. Observe here. Yes. Once I am typing a what? That command automatically. Yes. Observe here. Yes. Here in a previous case, employee number is there. In this case, automatically that number is changing into where employee number. Sorry, in previous case, S number is there. Now in this case, automatically it will be changing or not. How it is possible? Just here alter command I am typing only. This command is nothing but a what? SQL is a language. Structured query language. Through this language only we are operating a data in Oracle database. And now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose in a table format only data is there in a where in this type of relational data model. Now here check it out. DEPT is a table. In this table, department number, D name, location. These are columns. These are predefined tables. Practice purpose they are providing. You are also creating a what? Tables like. Okay. And now observe it here. Here, concentrate here. Any number of tables also available. Here like this. Suppose India is a table, account number, name, open, and a balance like this. Here data 1001, Murali, 5th March 2025. Here 5000 is a balance like. That's why always, whenever we are operating our data in this database, then we are using a what? SQL language. Up to this one, everyone knows, but unfortunately, screen observe. Whenever you are working in a where Oracle database software, then not only SQL language, another language also you must familiar. What is that one means? I will tell you now. Observe here. If you want to operate a Oracle database, then we are using a what? SQL language. Another language, what is that one means? PLSQL is a language. Procedural language extension for SQL. Again, another language is dynamic SQL. Dynamic, dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL, you don't have an idea, also not a problem. By using these two languages, so we are operating a what? Data in this Oracle database. Very, very important. Suppose you are interested to work in a where in a Oracle database in a company side, software company side. Compulsory you are good at what? These two languages. One is SQL language, another one is what? PLSQL language. SQL is a non-procedural language. PLSQL means procedural language concepts. They're embedded in a where SQL language. Suppose whenever we are starting a what in our course in a future, then in that one, these three languages I will tell you. In this SQL language, which concepts we are learning? Now observe here, so many concepts are there. Observe here. Here in this SQL language, now check it out. Maybe anybody having idea means main concepts. DDL, DML, TCL, DCL, DQL, so many commands are there. One of these days, main concept, joins we are learning only. Joins are nothing but retrieve data from multiple tables. Left outer join, full outer join, right outer join, so many self joins, so many joins maybe Java, .NET, Python developers also well-known persons. Why those developers also learning what this course means, I will tell you, don't worry. Just observe here in SQL language, joins is a concept is there. Again, so many concepts are there, just terminology awareness purpose I am telling. Constraints is a concept is there. Big chapters, these are main chapters. Primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, these are called constraints. Again, subquery is a chapter is there, most powerful. So now here subquery, query within another query is called subquery. Suppose you are a Java programmer, you are attending an interview. Interviewer asking, I want to retrieve second highest salary employee from particular table, suppose EMP table. I want to display nth highest salary employee details. I want to display fifth highest salary employee details. I want to delete a duplicate rows from a table. How it is possible means compulsory this subquery chapter side we are learning what some queries, how you are writing, what is the construction, what happened or anything. Again, window functions are there. Rank, dense underscore rank, lag, lead, analytical or window functions, row underscore number. These are all the things we are learning only. These are main concepts. So much of concepts are there. Observe it here. Again, in a PLSQL, here cursors, exceptions, so many concepts are there. One of these is very important concept. Java, .NET, Python, these all programmers are must familiar. Stored procedures. Stored procedures is very important. Okay, stored procedures is a concept we are learning. That's why observe it here. Here three languages are there. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL, another one is dynamic SQL. Roughly observe it here in our syllabus side. So much of things are there. Just a screen observe it here. One of these days we are learning. Okay, observe it here. Yes, here in SQL means a basic after installation. Here observe it here in SQL language side. DDL, some commands, DML, TCL, DQL, these commands we are learning. And also here some concepts only, basic concepts, how you are writing construction, so many things are there. One of these days, observe it here. Once you are good at what this select a statement, how you are constructing, what execution we are learning. Okay, yeah. Now here after that one, main concepts we are starting one of these days, joins. Joins are nothing but retrieve data from multiple tables. Here observe here, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, so many things are there or not? Yes. Again, once you are good at what that one, now then constraints is a chapter is there in SQL language side. Not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, so many things are there. Once we are good at what that one, then only here subquery is a chapter is there. Query within another query. A very big chapter, this one, in not only Oracle, every database also. Once you are good at what those subquery chapter, then only we are learning here. Some database objects are there, sequences, synonyms, indexes. So many database objects are there. Not only that one, advanced concepts we are learning about in that SQL language side. 1 minute observed here. Here, decode and case statements. That is nothing but a what? A set operators and conversions are there. Very important chapter. That before that one, TCL commands are there. Transaction control language. That is commit, rollback, save point like this. Here case statement, decode statement, NLS parameter. So many things are there here. Not only that one, anybody good at what? Loops mechanism means a level is a pseudo column is there through that one possible. In a Java, C, C++ loops we are writing, same thing here also something is there. And now here, observe it here, not only that one, anybody good at what? Java, .NET, Python, Unix, those type of languages means regular expressions is a concept is there. That is also available in a Oracle 10G version onwards Oracle side. These regular expressions, very, very important, most powerful POSIX notations. Maybe so many Java developers are well-known persons, but very easy way I'm designing only those things so easily understandable. These all symbols only, these meta characters. Now through that one, how we are, okay, intro questions, we are facing a problem. Phone number validations or Aadhaar card, phone number validations based on the conditions. Again, Aadhaar card validations and also PAN card validations. Observe it here. In a Java developer attending a interview side, email validations, how we are using a what? Here, PAN card validation. Here, Aadhaar card is available, no? Yeah, Indian person side, Aadhaar card validation. These all the things we are learning about in this SQL language. Once you are completing a what? That SQL language for operating a data in a Oracle database, extension of the SQL, PLSQL, you are learning only. Procedural language extension for SQL. 1 minute observe here. Yes, a PLSQL also, so much of syllabus is there. Here, this is a PLSQL. In this, because so much of syllabus, why I'm designing me, some fellows are okay, applying a job as a what PLSQL developer without any knowledge, 2 years, 3 years, any gap is there. Those persons easily getting a job. Here, PLSQL. Procedure language extension for SQL, PLSQL introduction, cursor is a concept we are learning. Again, exception, runtime errors are there, no, try, catch, throw, finally is there in a normal languages, no, but here different. After that one, stored procedure is a concept. This is only important, very, very important. In parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, how we are passing a values from Java into where? Database into Java, so now or Python, these all the things I will tell you in a where in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, so many things are there. Here triggers. Up to this one is enough. But some fellows are PLS developer jobs they are applying means these type of advanced concepts also they have an idea better. These are collections, index per table, nested table, VRIs. Here a performance tuning concept, a bulk bind. Here riff cursors are there. How can I pass a cursor as a parameter into the where in a procedures? Here UTL file packages, most powerful external tables and SQL loaders. Again, some Java developers are storing images. How means DLOB is a data type is there or not? After that one only dynamic SQL, I will tell you that much of thing is there. 1 minute observe it here. In a future, okay, today whole, just slowly I'm showing a what that syllabus only. Okay, just don't afraid only, okay, because one of these days you are very good knowledge only. Now here, one by one, we are learning is very easy. These all the things are available. Now, once you are learning like that, okay, then you are learning a what? Dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL is optional, but better to know at least some basic knowledge only. Now observe it here. Here, dynamic SQL is a language is there. SQL statements are executed at runtime. Here, execute immediate clause is there. Something is there. Okay, these are all the things we are learning one of these days. Okay, not only that one in the real-time concept side, how we are procedures are scheduling. Job scheduler is there. DBMS underscore scheduler is a package is there in 11G. Same like old and DBMS underscore job package is there. Now through that one, those are all the things we are learning only. That's why always you are learning a what in a future, three languages. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL, another one is dynamic SQL. Just observe it here terminology. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product is this one? Database product. But unfortunately, so many these type of database products are there. Not only Oracle, relational data model concept based only implemented. So many database products are there. Anybody tell me some database products, popular database products from different companies? Anybody tell me? Anybody Java developers are there in our class or Python developers are there? Tell me. Very good. Oracle is a popular database product from Oracle Corporation. This is also implemented based on relational data model concept. That's why a table format only data is storing. Now again, very good. One fellow is telling SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft. Again, MySQL, very good. MySQL is a database product from nowadays Oracle Corporation. That is a open source. Anybody having idea any other softwares? Very good. DB2 is a what from IBM company. Again, Teradata, very good. Teradata from NCR Corporation. Again, Sybase from Ingress Company. Again, Postgres from Ingress Company. Like that, okay, so many database softwares are there. In those all database softwares are also SQL language is there. Common language. What is the difference means? I will tell you one of these days. Again, procedures, stored procedure, these type of concepts are there. Suppose SQL server language you are learning means in that one also SQL is there and a TSQL is there. In that TSQL in a Oracle side PLSQL is there, no, same like TSQL is there. In that one stored procedure, cursors, the exceptions, these all the things are available, similar concepts. But slight syntaxes are different, functions are different, I will tell you. That's why always Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a database product. So what is the purpose of that database product means? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Suppose for example, I want to create a what bank is a table in my project. For example, don't write it. Just once you are good at what SQL language, these type of commands you are typing only. Now here in this one, suppose I'm taking a what? Account number is a column, number like this, don't write it, observe it here. Again, name is a column, where cat 2 like this. In a future, you are good at what? These all the things. Comma, balance is a column like this. Now, I know you know SQL long ways. That's why you are typing a what? Some commands like this automatically possible. Now here, suppose some some account number, account holders details I try to store in this database table. Now 1001. Here, suppose my name Murali. Here my balance is something only I try to store. For example, now here 1002. Here ABC is an account holder. Here 3000 is a balance I try to store. Observe it here. Again 1003. Here XYZ is an account holder. Here 5000 is a balance. Now again today I try to credit some amount. Again 1001. Okay, na? Yeah. My name is Murali. For example, I try to credit a what some amount 1000 rupees, for example. Now again 1 minute, observe here why I'm telling this one means you are understandable. 1002 not only storing purpose, so many things are there in a database. Just idea purpose I'm showing only now. Here 2000 rupees, for example. Now check it out. For example, this is a table format only. Details are available, okay, in this database. One project side, observe one bank details. For example, roughly. Here, observe it here, a bank is a table is there. In that bank account number is there 1001 Murali 8000. 1002 ABC balance is 3000. 1003 XYZ 5000 balance. 1001 Murali 1000 is a balance. 1002 ABC 2000 is a balance. Suppose this total balance I want to display in a report. How can I mean 8,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000 manually calculating difficult now? In that case, yes, you are a good SQL programmer means not only storing a data, we are processing the data by using some commands we are typing only. Sum of balance here, we are typing like this only from, don't write it, just here bank like this. Why we are learning SQL language, I will tell you. Suppose 19,000 automatically displayed or not? Yes. That's why you are a good professional, SQL language and knowledge, you have an idea, then you are writing a what in a where in a this coding, then any end user clicking a what some button, then automatically, yes, this is okay, database side affected, on the front end side it is visible. Now check it out. Suppose I don't want like this only. I want to display these all the columns along with. Okay, so now with this the sum of total balance possible. Now here observe it here. Now I try to use like this. Now check it out here. Table. What is the table name? Bank. Bank is a table. Dot star means all columns. I try to display like this. It won't work. Why? Because this is an aggregate function. You are trying to display along with columns, it won't work only. That is, you are experienced person, then only you have an idea. Normally, you don't have an idea. Just observe it here, technical concept. It won't work. Error. In this case, you are a good experienced person. In a future, you are learning these courses. Now here we are converting that one into where analytical function, then only possible. Over is a clause we are using means then possible. These all the things you don't have an idea. Later you are familiar. Just I'm intimating to you. So many things are there. You are learning in a future. You are a good professional means like this. Observe it here. Yes, automatically it will display what total balance in each and every occasional record side automatically or not. Yes. Again, each and every account holder balance, total balance I want means just we are writing a what a partition by is a clause is there here. Total balance here name wise I am writing. Now check it out here. Now I try to use like this. Observe it here. Yes. Here ABC account holder total balance is 3,000 plus 2,000. That is a 5,000. Again, Murali account holder having a 8,000 plus 1,000. That is a total balance is 9,000. Again, XYZ account holder is 5,000. This type of knowledge, you have an idea, SQL. These are SQL commands only. You have an idea, then only we are generating. That's why processing a data purpose also we are using a what? Yes, here these databases are not. Yes. How efficiently we are retrieving a data, fetching a data based on the client requirement. That is important. That's why you are learning about these long ways, what happened, what is going on, what is this one. Those all the things you are good means, then automatically you are also handling the projects very easy. Now here, observe it here, suppose each and every group only, now a total balance I want, for example. This a table is there, select a star from bank like this. Now here, check it out. Murali total balance, how much here? If this is 8,000 plus 1,000, that is at 9,000. Again, ABC account holder is a what? 3,000 plus 2,000, that is 5,000. XYZ account holder is 5,000. Now I want to produce a report, each and every account holder, how much total balance is there means group by is a clause is there in every database SQL language. What is the all databases SQL language differences also I will tell you one of these days. Now here name sum of balance like this, here from bank only, and now here check it out, here group by, here you are right typing like this. This is a SQL language command here like this. Then this SQL language command through you are displaying a what? Murali here 9,000, ABC account holder having a 5,000. Again XYZ is a what? 5,000 is the total balance is available or not? Yes, here. This is the way, okay, so now we are generating a what? Reports. That's why always processing data purpose, we are using a what? This SQL language. Just once data is there in a where in your tables, then we are according to client requirement, we are generating these type of reports or not. Then only we are using a what? SQL is a language. Suppose these type of database languages are not visible to the end user. These type of database languages are not visible to the end user or customer. For example, you are purchasing items today wholly, so many offers are there in a where Amazon or Flipkart or anything. You are interested to purchase any items means just go to where, okay, so now here www.flipkart.com, amazon.com, we are typing only. In that case, you are interested to purchase a what? One item or any item means, observe it here, observe it. Suppose I try to purchase a what? Shirt, for example. Now, whenever I am a customer, I don't know anything. Just here, item name, shirt, I am clicking only, for example. Whenever I am clicking a what? This one, so many items are there, but only shirts are visible to the where end user. How means here within a database internally what happened? Same like you only, some professionals are writing a what? A coding like this. Here, select a star from, observe it here. This is SQL coding. Select a star from item where, okay, some table roughly, where item name is equal to, so now shirt like this. Then automatically from the table, this all shirts information, it will be displayed here. Now I don't want to display these all shirts only. I want to display, so now blue shirt only I want to purchase. Suppose I am selecting a what? So many list of colors are there. Here, blue color I am selecting only. How it is possible? Just observe it here. Here, database programmer, same like you only, some database programmers writing a coding like this, and is an operator, and color is equal to blue they are writing. Okay, yeah, so now here like this. Again, all the colors I don't want to display. Again, my size is 40 size I want to display, means I want to purchase. Just here I am selecting a 40 size. How it is possible? Filtering the data means, and size is equal to 40 like this. That's why this type of coding is called internally happened. Okay, now some software professionals, they are writing only explicitly, we are clicking a what like this. These all the things are data is retrieved from where? In a database only. This is called SQL language. That's why these SQL professionals are required in a company side. Structured query language. Today whole, this is a problem. Okay, yeah. Now, roughly, just today small concept I am telling only. I am not starting anything. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a what type of product? Database product. What is the purpose of this one? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate a data in a Oracle database, then we are using a what? Languages. SQL, PLSQL. Another one is what? Dynamic SQL languages. Okay, understood this one up to this one? So many things are there, extension. That is next class side, I will tell you. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Hello, 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 hello. This course is not a fee, okay, not a okay fees only. Don't pay any fees. Here, this course is what free. Okay, yeah. Duration is more than 3.5 months. Okay, yeah. Utilize this knowledge only. So much of things are there. Very helpful in a way in a software industry side. Okay, 9 to 10 only class timing. 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there. Okay, evening 4, 5, 6, 7. So many batches are there, but this one free batch 9 to 10. Okay, yeah. Anybody having any doubts? Yes, one fellow is asking only, Murli sir, I am not a technical person. I want to learn SQL. Yes, possible. Yes. Recording and any okay, PDFs are required means you have to contact management. They are asking what payment. Okay. Normally course is free. Okay, yeah. Are you coming tomorrow? Otherwise, Monday we will start. That is better. Today whole, that's why so many fellows are not attending. Outside also so many functions. Okay, na? Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Next class will be on Monday. Monday will continue. Thank you. Okay, na? Monday will continue. Thank you. That is better. Okay, na? Monday onwards we are starting. Monday will continue. Thank you. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible now. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. Anybody not attending previous class, don't worry. That is a small demo class, small concept I told that class only. Observe it here. What I told in that class, just observe it here. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is basically a database product. Whenever we are installing this database product in our system, then automatically some place is reserved in a hard disk. That is called database. Whenever Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, these softwares we are installing means automatically one container is created. That is nothing but a database. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, these are DBMS softwares. What is that database contain means all are thinking about database stores data permanently in a secondary storage devices in that container. That is a hard disk only everyone thinking, but unfortunately that is not true. Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase or Informix or Ingress or Postgres, these softwares was implemented based on a one concept relational data model. That's why already I told in a previous classes, always those software stores have what structured collection of data. Observed here, this one I am telling. Structured collection of data. An organized fashion only data is storing. Why that is store that type of way it will be storing means reason is there. EF card, he is working in a where he was working in a where in a olden days IBM company. He is only introducing a what a relational data model. Basically, he's a mathematician. That's why he is representing data in the format of rows and columns only. That is nothing but a matrix. He's a mathematician. That's why I say matrix format only there nowadays, storing what data in the format of tables. Up to that one, we are discussing what in a previous class. Observe it here. Here, structured collection of data is there. Again, I'm repeating only why because some fellows are not attending previous classes. Now observe it here. This is a structured collection of data or not? Yes. Once structured collection of data is there in these bases, then I am also here also developers are modeling this data in one language, SQL language. For example, this is a table there. I will provide a predefined post. Don't worry, just practice purpose. Here, New York is a location is the example. My client requirement is change this New York location into Hyderabad location in this table they're asking. Then I am also here also typing what some commands here like this update, here time, here set, here location is equal to Hyderabad, where some coding we are writing only. These type of coding is also called as DML coding, that is insert, update, delete commands only. That is called nothing but a what SQL language. Observe here one line of coding I'm typing. What is that one? You are also familiar. Now check it out. Here set a star from table DEPT. Here in a previous case, New York is a location is there, but in this case, here what is a location is there. Why? Because I'm typing a what some command only. This command is what SQL language. This is maybe so many fellows having idea. This language also introduced by effort that what structured query language. This is a simple say like English language. Through the language only we are operating a data in Oracle database or all relational databases. Okay, yeah. Again, not only that one. If you want to operate data in this Oracle software, then you're using two languages. One is SQL, another one is extension of the SQL. That is a procedure language concepts they are embedded. That is PLSQL. Another one is SQL statements are executed at runtime. That is called MSQL. At least these two languages, you are good SQL, SQL. Then only on software company side, you are operating a what data in Oracle database. Up to this one, just observe it here. Up to this one, we are discussing only. Okay, yeah. Now one fellow is asking only, sir. Okay. Required classes give or not. Okay, record you want means you have to ask management only. They are asking what's amount. Okay, yeah, but regular class are free. Okay, yeah. Now observe this one asking what previous class. Now here concentrate. Very important. Now all are attending. Up to this one previous classes. Very important. 5 minutes concentrate. Very important. Most powerful. First important concept. These are demo classes. Just observe it here. First time newcomer purpose. Some concept. What is my doubt today? Suppose I am working in a company. So observe 5 minutes. Concentrate. Whenever I am working in a company, so observe it here. I'm working in a, for example, Oracle project. Oracle is a database product. But I'm also, my colleagues also operating a what data in this Oracle database. We are using language. What is that language? SQL is a language to operating in a way this Oracle database software. Okay, up to this one, no problem. But unfortunately, in my company, software company, so many projects, different projects, technology also. Suppose, for example, same similar database technology, another project is there. For example, now SQL Server is a Microsoft product. Same like Oracle. SQL Server is a database product there. That is from Microsoft. Oracle from Oracle Corporation. Some employees are working in where in this database also. This is also a relational model product. Who are working in where in this database product? Those persons also, those employees also operating data in this SQL server by using which language? SQL is a language. Again, in my some other fellows are like MySQL open source and same like Oracle database. This is also relational data based only their element. Now, who are the employees are working aware in this project? Those employees also are what data in MySQL database use SQL language. Now, my doubt is all SQL languages are same or different? I'm confusing only. Maybe anybody get Java, .NET, Python, yeah, because academic career side they are good at what maybe in a database software. That's why I'm asking this question. Anybody gets these languages are same or different? One answer is correct. Now some employees working in Oracle, some employees are working in SQL Server, some employees are working in Aware, some employees are working in a DB2, some employees are working in Ingress, some employees are Postgres, the different type of ways. But those employees are operating a data in those softwares, compulsory using SQL language, you know. But is all SQL languages are same or different? Only one. So many fellows are telling what say, so many are telling not very good. Who are telling what? Same wrong answer. Not a very, very important. Why so many Java doubters also in our class? They are what? Same means maybe career side DBMST paper is there, maybe in the paper side, maybe lab in a Oracle or SQL Server learning lab. In that one, maybe now here fundamental level they are telling only there is a problem. Here insert, update, delete, set some commands they are maybe in the software side. Okay, these are 4 commands are same is there. Similar syntax, that's what they are telling about here. Unfortunately, these all SQL languages are not safe, not safe. How you the current languages are not same. Simple technique is there, not safe. How you are handle very, 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 very important. So first thing this one, check it out. Anybody good at what academic career side? Java, no, just do and easily you are remembering. You never mistaken in a future anything. Anybody asking also. Now check it out. Concentrate again. 5 minutes. Concentrate. Suppose slowly observe here. Through this example is understandable. Now check it out. So many fellows are good at what? C++. Persons means don't just do it here. What is going on? C++ is object-oriented language. Again, another popular language, object-oriented language is Java. Java is an object-oriented language. C++ is an object-oriented language and Java also an object-oriented language. In object-oriented language side, object-oriented features are there. Maybe so many fellows having idea. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? Some concepts are there. No? Yeah. Don't worry. In an article person, in a technical person means they have no idea. And now these type of polymorphism, these are called object-oriented features. In a Java also object-oriented features are there. Same. Observe here. Object-oriented features are there. What are the object-oriented features are there in a Java? Same. What is object? Class. Inheritance. Encapsulation. Polymorphism. These type of things are there or not? Okay. Here also what is object, what is class, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism is these ones I say. Now check it out. So for example, I want to create an object from the class. What is object, what is class? I am not interested to tell them because don't worry. But unfortunately, in a technical person, how you are creating a what? An object from the class in a C++. Create an object. What does syntax means? Maybe so many people have an idea. Objects created from the class, definition of class nothing but object. Okay, observe for 1 minute only. What is the syntax? Create what object from the class means. Here, what is the syntax? Very good. Class name space object name. Class name space object name is nothing but what? Syntax. How to create an object from the class in a Java side? Something different. You are only tell me in a technical process. Very good. Same sense means wrong one. Slight difference